Hello all, myself Professor Devendra Anand Itune, working as Assistant Professor in EITC Engineering Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we are going to study delay generation by using timer of LPC 2148. In LPC 2148, there are two timers named as a timer 0 and timer 1. Both timers are of a 32-bit long. These timers allows us to generate a precise time delay. Here in LPC 2148, P clock is given to the prescaler counter, and from the prescaler counter is goes to the timer counter register. Let us see the registers used in the timers. First, T0 TCR timer control register. This register is used to control the functions of the timer 0. Then T0 PR prescaler register. This register is of a 32-bit register which holds the maximum value which the prescaler counter can take. T0 PC prescale counter. This register is also for 32-bit long, which specifies the division value of the processor clock before feeding it to the timers. The value in the register increments with every input pulse or the P clock fed into it. Prescaler register T0PR gives the maximum value this T0PC register can take, which reaching the maximum count T0PC register gets reset on the next processor clock. Next T0TC, that is this timer counter register. This register of 32-bit long, which is incremented whenever prescale counter T0PC value reaches its maximum value level given in the prescale register T0PR. T0MR0, this register stores the value which should be compared to the T0TC register. Operations specified based on the T0MCR register will be performed whenever a match encounters. T0MCR match control register. This register is used to specify the operation whenever a match occurs between the value stored in the MR0 and TC register. T0IR, that is an interrupt register which consists bits for match and capture interrupts. Writing will reset the interrupts in this register. Delay generation for 1 second. Let us generate a delay for 1 second. Here uh, let us consider CPU clock frequency of a 20 megahertz and delay required is for 1 second. Step 1, if VPP div equals to 0x00, then P clock will become 1/4 of the CPU clock. Therefore P clock equals to 5 megahertz, as CPU clock we are considered as a 20 megahertz. Step 2, delay generated by timer control register when incremented by one count value is PR plus 1 upon P clock. This is the formula to generate a to calculate a TC value. Note, keep in mind if possible always try to bring delay generated by TC, which is equals to the 1 millisecond. Okay. So let us put the values of the P clock and the PR value. Delay generated by TC equals to 10 plus 1 upon pi into 10 to the power 6 equals to 2.2 microsecond. Let us consider here PR equals to 10. Okay. So that's why we have got a value of TC equals to 2.2 microsecond. Then the to generate a delay of 1 second, TC must be incremented by 454545. So we have to load a match register with the value 454545. Let us see the program now. In the program we have to add a header file hash include lpc21xx.header file. We have declared here the delay function. In main function, VPPDIV equals to 0x00, which is the first step. Pin cell 0 is used to configure the port 0 or the port 1 of LPC2148 as a GPIO or for any other functions. So here pin cell 0 equals to 0x00, we have given the value, which means that configure the 0.0 to 0.15 as a GPIO. Out of that 0.0 to 0.15, we are going to use a 0.0 to 0.7 pin only, which is connected to the LEDs. IODIR0 equals to 0x0000FF. This register is used to configure the IO pins as outputs or as input. As we have given the FF to the 0.0 to 0.7, so configure the 0.0 to 0.7 as our output pins. While one for our loop, IO set 0 equals to 0x 6 times 0 FF, which means turn on the LEDs by setting 0.0 to 0.7 as high. Then call the delay, which will be of for 1 second. Then IO clear 0 equals to 0x 6 times 0 FF, which means turn off the LEDs by setting 0.0 to 0.7 as low. Let us see in the delay function. As we are considering here T0 PR equals to 10, then T0 MR0, which is get by calculation we are getting 454545. Let us consider T0 TC equals to 0x00. Okay, then start the timer by giving the value to the T0 TCR register as 0x01. Wait T0 TC until match with the T0 MR0 register. Okay, the delay which you have generated for the 1 second. After the 1 second, then T0 TCR equals to 0x02. It means stop the timer. So let us simulate in the kill software. As you can see in the kill software, we have written a program. So first of all, let us see is there any error in the program or not. Okay, zero error, zero warning we are getting. Let's debug it. Here we are considered as a general purpose IO. In the peripherals, you have to go, you have to select a port 0. Either you can see the blinking here, or if you want to check, you can see in the logic analyzer also. So in logic analyzer, you have to go into the setup. You have to create a new. Initially, it is create a new. As we are using port 0, so we'll use here port 0. Close it. Now you can see at the left side, run option is there. Either step by step also you can run the program. I will run the whole program at the same time. Now if you click on the all button, as we're going to see here in the IO set, the LED or the 0 to 7 bits are turn on and turn off, right? As you can see in the logic analyzer also. So for some period it is on off condition, for some period it is on condition, which means we'll consider that LED will on for some 1 second and LED will be off for the next 1 second. So this will happens forever as we have used a while one loop. Then after that you can stop it and you can run this program again. So like this way we can generate a delay by using timer of LPC2148. Thank you.